Alright, my people. You guys already know who it is. The Jake Break TV. We're in Toronto right now. It is about 2 in the morning right now. Flight leaves at 8. So we should probably leave around 5. But I obviously can't sleep because we're going to a place that some fear, but I love. And we're gonna bring you some really good content. So stay tuned. So we're just getting to the airport right now. Time to unpack the bags. And this is Toronto Pearson International. Excuse my hair. Well, after a little process at the checking the luggage and all that, we finally made it through. We are heading to the gates now. That's good. There was a little setback, but nothing too serious. Let's get it. Well, we made it through clearance, security clearance, no problem. There was a little setback because, well, you know, I am taking my whole life in 4 suitcases, but nothing too serious. And right now I'm trying to get some food. I'm thinking about it, but it's expensive. Check it out. $14.29 for a turkey Swiss sandwich. We're on the plane right now. We made it safe and sound. We're on our way to Panama City right now. Let's get it. So I must definitely have a thing for planes or something, I don't know, because we are currently in Panama waiting for technical service on the plane because apparently there was something wrong with it. It's okay, better safe than sorry. I just woke up from a little nap. Apparently they came for food and I was asleep. But that's okay because I bought some food at the airport before coming in the plane and I ate it. But I woke up right for the coffee break. Check it out. I'm having some coffee, watching a movie. Get 2 hours left. Gracias. Salud. Salud, hermano. Buena vida. Alright guys, well we're here at the airport still. It's already nighttime. Our flight is almost here. But I just wanted to show you a couple things. Remember in Toronto how we had the electrical outlet at the waiting room with a tablet to order your food for the plane? Everything's so convenient and so easy. Well, this is Panama. I had to walk around for half an hour, 45 minutes with a heavy bag, breaking my back, only to find this. As you can see, there is a really poor outlet on the wall. Barely works, barely holds the connector. Quite uncomfortable, to be honest. But then again, the beers are really good. So I guess there's pros and cons to everything. Check this out. $4.75 for a Heineken. I've never seen that in my life. And $3.95 for, I guess, a local beer. But still, dirt cheap. And it's good beer. But our flight's almost here. Excited. For the plain food, you're paying pretty much the same. $14.50 for a tuna and cheese sandwich, and this is, I paid $12 for all of this right at the airport. So it's a no-brainer. It's definitely a no-brainer. Get your own food. So that Subway actually saved my life. I recommend if you're flying, buy your food outside. Like in the airport, but outside, and bring it in the plane. You're gonna save a lot of money and you're gonna eat a lot better. Libre de activación y libre de complicaciones. Roaming libre. Ya lo tienes incluido en tus planes desde 24 horas. Contigo. Alright, my people, so it's official. We arrived to Caracas. The trip was pretty smooth, not too many inconveniences. In this case, my flight was about 22 hours in total, but we made it safe and sound, which is the most important. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single adventure. I always say it, and we're here. Gracias. Oh.
Ya va. Ah, por acá. Por acá. Viene por acá. Que tengo un excelente día.
Gracias. So one thing that I did notice, speaking of COVID, is that there is no direct flights, but that's since a couple of years now. So you have to run at least a 20-hour flight, and you have to stop in one of their accepted countries, which are Panama, Dominican Republic, Iran, Iraq. And let me know in the comments if you know of any other country that's accepting flights from Venezuela. I had to do a 22-hour flight, and of course I didn't sleep for 48 hours prior to that. So right now I'm running on very little sleep and 72 hours of travel, but it's all worth it, and it's all for you guys. Yes. You're gone. All right, people. Little inconvenience. I spoke too soon. There was a little backlog. It turns out Copa had a hard time apparently in Panama. They were rushing or something, and they skipped my luggage. One of my suitcases, they just skipped it. So right now I'm actually in lost and found. Remember to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and turn on those notifications for more content, because this year is packed with it. Take it easy, guys.